Welcome me Chevrolet. This week's used car manager special is 2024 Sierra AT4X. This 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X has just 39,773 kilometers and it's a rare find. Built for serious off-road adventures, it's powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and features a factory 2-inch lift with Multimatic DSSV dampers, the X31 Off-Road Package, AEV stamped steel high approach front bumper with heavy-duty recovery hooks, skid plates, and front and rear electronic locking differentials. Inside you will find heated and ventilated leather seats, 16-way power front seats with massage, a heated steering wheel, Bose sound system, a power sunroof, and adaptive cruise control. For more information and financial details, please visit our website bincars.ca or you can call us anytime.